You wake up tired, not because you worked hard, but because your life feels heavy. Your mind feels crowded. Your habits feel messy. And deep down, you feel something slipping. Control. Most people don't lose control of their lives overnight. It happens slowly, quietly, one small habit at a time. A little more distraction, a little less discipline, a little more comfort, until one day you wake up and realize something painful. You are not leading your life anymore. Your habits are. And if you don't take control back now, the next few years will disappear faster than you think. Here are 7 signs you are losing control of your life. And more importantly, how to fix it before it's too late. The first sign is this. You wake up without a clear purpose. You grab your phone before your feet even touch the ground. You scroll through other people's lives, their success, their bodies, their businesses. Your brain fills with noise before the day even begins. And suddenly an hour is gone. No plan, no focus, no direction. Your morning decides your day. And if your morning starts with distraction, your entire day will follow that pattern. People who control their lives protect their mornings. They wake up with intention. They move their body. They focus their mind. Because the first hour of your day trains the rest of your life. The second sign is you constantly feel busy, but nothing actually changes. You answer messages. You scroll through apps. You check things again and again. Your day feels full. But at night, you look back and realize something uncomfortable. Nothing moved forward. No skill improved. No progress happened. No real work was done. Busyness is one of the biggest illusions of productivity. A distracted mind feels active, but it produces nothing. Real progress requires deep focus. One task, one direction, one clear goal. If your attention is scattered all day, your future will be scattered too. The third sign is you avoid hard things. You know the workout would help you, but you skip it. You know that learning a skill would improve your future, but you delay it. You know that discipline would change your life, but comfort feels easier today, and tomorrow, and the day after that. Comfort slowly trains your mind to become weak. Every time you avoid difficulty, you teach your brain a dangerous lesson. That struggle should be avoided. But struggle is where growth lives. Every strong man you admire built his strength through pressure, through effort, through discipline, through days when he didn't feel like showing up. The fourth sign is your environment is controlling you. Look around. Your habits are often shaped by the people around you. If the people in your life waste time, you start wasting time. If the people around you chase comfort, you begin chasing comfort. Energy spreads, discipline spreads, but laziness spreads faster. If you spend every day in environments that reward distraction, you will slowly become the same. Growth requires distance from things that keep you average. Sometimes taking control of your life means stepping away from places that make you comfortable but weak. The fifth sign is you keep saying one dangerous sentence. I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll work harder. Tomorrow I'll wake up earlier. Tomorrow I'll take things seriously. But tomorrow is the safest lie your brain tells you, because tomorrow never asks you to change today. Every powerful transformation starts with one uncomfortable decision. Today, not next week, not next month, right now. The sixth sign is your mind is constantly distracted. Your attention jumps from one thing to another, video to video, message to message, thought to thought. Your brain never rests, but it also never focuses. And focus is one of the rarest skills in the modern world. A focused mind builds businesses, builds strength, builds discipline. A distracted mind builds regret. Every notification steals your attention. Every distraction weakens your ability to think deeply. And without deep focus, real success becomes impossible. The seventh and most dangerous sign is this. You know you're capable of more, but you keep ignoring it. There is a voice inside you. It tells you that your current life is smaller than your potential, that you could train harder, work longer, build something meaningful. But that voice makes you uncomfortable, so you distract yourself. You scroll, you watch, you wait, But ignoring that voice doesn't silence it. It only makes the feeling worse. Because deep down, you know the truth. Your life could be different, much different. And the moment you face that truth, something powerful happens. Responsibility begins. You stop blaming time. You stop blaming circumstances. You start looking at your habits, your routines, your standards, because the truth is simple. Your life is the result of what you do repeatedly, not what you wish for, not what you hope for. Your habits shape everything. The moment you understand this, you stop searching for motivation. You start building discipline. You wake up earlier even when you don't feel like it. You train your body when it's uncomfortable. You focus on work while others chase distractions. You protect your attention. You remove the things that weaken your focus. And slowly, something changes inside you. Your confidence grows. Your mind becomes sharper. Your discipline becomes stronger. People begin noticing the difference. Your energy changes. Your habits change. Your identity changes. And over time, the person you become is almost unrecognizable. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped running from the person you were meant to become. And this transformation does not happen in one day. It happens through small decisions repeated every day. One focused morning, one disciplined workout, 1 hour of real work. Day by day, the chaos in your life begins to disappear. Control returns. Clarity returns. Strength returns. But none of this happens if you keep waiting, because the truth is harsh. Your future will not be decided next year. It will be decided by the habits you choose today, right now, at this moment. So ask yourself one honest question. Are you ready to keep drifting through life? Or are you finally ready to take control?